Did you know certain vintage watches deliver better accuracy than today's luxury mechanical movements? Technology from the 1970s-80s achieved precision levels that expensive modern automatics cannot match. Yet collectors have largely forgotten these horological marvels. These watches combined innovative movements with quality construction, creating timepieces that remain impressively accurate decades later, proving newer doesn't always mean better in watchmaking. Number 10. Bulova Accutron Astronaut. The Bulova Accutron Astronaut opens our list with revolutionary tuning fork technology from the 1960s that predated quartz movements. This space-age watch demonstrates that electronic innovation created accuracy impossible with mechanical escapements. The tuning fork movement, vibrating at 360 Hz, achieved accuracy within seconds per month, dramatically better than mechanical watches gaining or losing minutes weekly. The distinctive humming sound created by the vibrating fork provided audio confirmation of operation that owners found reassuring. NASA astronauts wore these during early space missions, proving the technology's reliability in extreme conditions, including zero gravity. The smooth, sweeping seconds hand moved more fluidly than mechanical watches, creating visual elegance that ticking quartz movements lost. Collectors have forgotten these because quartz technology made tuning forks obsolete, yet accuracy remains impressive by any standard. Finding working examples requires patience, as servicing expertise has largely disappeared with watchmakers unfamiliar with the unique technology. Number 9. Longines VHP, very high precision. The Longines VHP proves that quartz evolution continued beyond the initial 1970s revolution, with modern technology achieving extraordinary accuracy. This contemporary watch shows that forgotten doesn't always mean old, as market obsession with mechanical movements has obscured quartz advancements. The VHP achieves accuracy within ±5 seconds per year through temperature compensation and gear position detection, exceeding standard quartz by massive margins. The perpetual calendar automatically adjusts for leap years and month lengths until 2400 without manual correction, providing set-and-forget operation. The gear position detection system recognizes if hands get knocked out of position from impacts, automatically resetting them to correct time. The battery life exceeds 5 years, with sleep mode extending life further when unworn, eliminating frequent battery changes that annoy owners. Watch enthusiasts ignore this because quartz carries stigma, despite delivering accuracy that mechanical grand Seiko cannot approach regardless of price. Number 8. Omega Megaquartz 2400. The Omega Megaquartz 2400 represents Swiss luxury applied to quartz technology, creating one of history's most accurate wristwatches. This 1970s masterpiece demonstrates that Swiss brands briefly embraced quartz before retreating to mechanical movements for marketing reasons. The Marine Chronometer certification guaranteed accuracy within 12 seconds per year, which even today's luxury watches rarely achieve or advertise. The massive case housed sophisticated electronics requiring substantial space before miniaturization advances allowed modern compact quartz movements. The thermocompensated quartz oscillator maintained accuracy across temperature extremes from freezing cold to summer heat without drift. The solid gold or steel construction with integrated bracelet created luxury aesthetics, justifying the premium pricing Omega commanded. Collectors forgot these because the quartz crisis damaged Swiss industry reputation, making brands abandon and buyers avoid quartz models. The few remaining examples command surprising prices as collectors recognize the historical significance and unmatched accuracy of these technical achievements. Number 7. Seiko Twin Quartz 9943. The Seiko Twin Quartz 9943 showcases Japanese engineering prowess with dual quartz oscillators achieving exceptional accuracy through redundancy. This innovative design proves that Seiko's technical leadership during the quartz revolution created forgotten masterpieces. Two independent quartz oscillators running simultaneously checked each other's accuracy, with onboard computer selecting the more accurate signal, eliminating drift. The thermocompensation, adjusted for temperature effects on oscillator frequency, maintaining accuracy in extreme conditions from Arctic cold to tropical heat. Achieving accuracy within plus-minus 10 seconds per year seemed impossible in the 1970s, yet Seiko delivered it in production watches. The distinctive angular case design reflected the futuristic optimism of the era, when technology represented progress and innovation rather than cold sterility. Watchmakers discontinued this technology because cost-cutting made simpler single oscillator movements more profitable despite reduced accuracy for consumers. Finding working examples proves difficult as the complex dual oscillator systems often failed without proper servicing that few watchmakers understand today. Number 6. Citizen Crystron Mega. The Citizen Crystron Mega achieved accuracy rivaling marine chronometers through sophisticated frequency regulation in surprisingly affordable package. This forgotten classic demonstrates that accuracy innovation wasn't limited to Swiss luxury brands during the Quartz revolution. The 4 MHz oscillator frequency provided finer time division than standard 32 kHz quartz movements, dramatically improving accuracy and stability. Temperature compensation maintained accuracy across wide temperature ranges, ensuring consistent performance regardless of environmental conditions. Achieving accuracy within 3 seconds per month seemed remarkable in 1975, when most watches gained or lost several minutes weekly. The automatic calendar with leap year adjustment eliminated manual date corrections that annoyed owners of simpler watches. Buyers forgot these because marketing shifted focus to Swiss mechanical heritage after the quartz crisis damaged Japanese brand prestige globally. The surviving examples often sit in drawers unworn, as owners don't recognize the technical achievement represented by these accurate timepieces. Number 5. Rolex Oysterquartz. The Rolex Oysterquartz represents Swiss luxury's brief but successful quartz experiment, creating watches with unmatched accuracy and quality. This controversial model proves that even Rolex recognized quartz superiority before retreating to mechanical movements for profit margins. The COSC-certified quartz movement achieved accuracy within 15 seconds per year, better than any Rolex mechanical movement regardless of price. The distinctive angular integrated case design represented 1970s luxury aesthetics that purists initially rejected, but collectors now appreciate as distinctive. The massive investment in quartz technology development showed Rolex's engineering capabilities beyond just refining existing mechanical designs. The quickset date and other practical features made these more user-friendly than mechanical Rolexes requiring careful hand-setting procedures. Collectors avoided these for decades because quartz stigma made them seem inferior, despite objective superiority in accuracy and practicality. The recent appreciation surge has collectors recognizing that Oysterquartz represents important Rolex history and delivers impressive accuracy that mechanicals cannot match. Number 4. Girard-Perregaux Casquette. The Girard-Perregaux Casquette pushed quartz innovation to radical extremes with LED display mounted horizontally on the wrist. This bizarre watch demonstrates that 1970s experimentation created genuinely innovative designs that seem alien today. The LED display required button press to show time, conserving battery life because continuous LED displays consumed power too quickly. The sideways orientation with display parallel to wrist created ergonomic advantages for reading time naturally without wrist rotation. The accuracy within seconds per month came from sophisticated quartz regulation, demonstrating that digital displays didn't compromise precision. The futuristic design perfectly captured 1970s optimism, when technology represented progress and innovation rather than nostalgia for mechanical past. Watch enthusiasts completely forgot these because the design seemed too radical, and buttons to check time annoyed users expecting always visible displays. The tiny production numbers and fragile LED displays mean finding working examples requires extensive searching and significant investment for curious collectors. Number 3. Breitling Aerospace. The Breitling Aerospace combined Swiss quality with quartz accuracy, creating professional pilot's watch that delivered superior performance. This multifunction tool demonstrates that quartz technology enabled complications impossible with mechanical movements at similar size. The thermocompensated superquartz movement achieved chronometer certification with accuracy within 10 seconds per year, exceeding mechanical chronometers dramatically. The comprehensive functions, including dual time zone, alarm, chronograph, and countdown timer, provided genuine utility for professional pilots and military users. The lightweight titanium case reduced wrist fatigue during long flights while maintaining professional appearance acceptable in aviation environments. The analog-digital display combined traditional watch aesthetics with digital functionality, creating best of both worlds. Modern buyers overlook these because mechanical movement obsession creates bias against quartz, despite practical superiority for professional tool watch applications. The discontinued production and parts scarcity means servicing requires specialized knowledge that standard watchmakers cannot provide adequately. Number 2. Omega Seamaster F300H. The Omega Seamaster F300H represents the culmination of tuning fork technology, achieving accuracy surpassing early quartz movements. This late-generation electronic watch proves that the transition from mechanical to quartz involved intermediate technologies worth remembering. The 300 Hz tuning fork vibration created smoother seconds hand sweep than mechanical watches while achieving accuracy within seconds per month. The marine chronometer certification guaranteed accuracy meeting strict standards that few mechanical watches could achieve consistently. The hermetically sealed case protected delicate electronics from moisture and shocks that would damage mechanical movements or early quartz watches. The distinctive styling with integrated bracelet created luxury aesthetics, justifying premium pricing that Omega commanded during this technological transition. Collectors forgot these because quartz made tuning forks obsolete almost immediately after introduction, making them technological dead-end despite impressive capabilities. The servicing challenges with disappearing expertise mean many working examples sit unused as owners cannot find watchmakers capable of maintaining them. Number 1. Bulova Precisionist, the game changer. Finally, the most accurate forgotten watch that sweeps like a mechanical movement, the Bulova Precisionist. This modern marvel operates at 260 kHz, creating a sweeping seconds hand and delivering accuracy that luxury mechanical watches costing thousands cannot approach. The unique UHF, ultra-high frequency, quartz oscillator running 8 times faster than standard quartz, achieves accuracy within 10 seconds per year. The continuous sweep seconds hand moves 16 times per second, creating fluid motion indistinguishable from mechanical watches, eliminating the ticking that quartz critics complain about. The ticking sound becomes a high-pitched whir rather than loud tick that bothers people in quiet environments like offices or theaters. The accuracy surpasses QoSC chronometer standards dramatically while costing hundreds rather than thousands that certified mechanical chronometers command. The comprehensive model range includes dive watches, chronographs, and dress watches, ensuring options for different preferences and situations. Watch enthusiasts have largely forgotten or dismissed these because quartz stigma prevents recognition that this technology represents genuine innovation delivering mechanical aesthetics with superior accuracy. The discontinued models command surprisingly low prices on secondary markets, as collectors focus on mechanical movements despite Precisionists' objective superiority.